Hey everyone! If you've been exploring ways to level up your digital marketing skills, you've come to the right place. Today, we're taking a closer look at 4 popular digital marketing courses available on Coursera. We'll talk about what each course offers, which is best, and how you can benefit from enrolling. So do watch till the end. Don't forget to support us in the form of sending stars, or share, like, and follow or subscribe. Let's dive in. Let's start with the Adobe Marketing Specialist Professional Certificate. This program is all about blending marketing strategy with Adobe's creative tools. If you're into content creation, design, and branding, and you want to learn how Adobe's suite can help you market more effectively, this is a solid pick. Think Photoshop, Illustrator, and even marketing automation platforms like Marketo and Gauge. By the end, you'll be ready to plan, create, and launch campaigns that look and feel professional. Next up, the Google Digital Marketing and E-commerce Professional Certificate. This is a comprehensive course that covers SEO, SEM, social media marketing, and e-commerce fundamentals. You'll get hands-on practice with Google Ads, Google Analytics, and more. It's beginner-friendly, no prior experience required. And it's perfect if you want to dive into the world of online sales, optimizing product listings, and scaling your digital presence. The certification holds weight in the job market, too, since employers often look for Google-savvy candidates. If you're not quite sure you want the full Google certificate, you can test the waters with the Foundations of Digital Marketing and E-commerce course. This one is basically the first step of the full program. It walks you through the basics, like the digital marketing funnel, understanding customer behavior, and how to create an online presence. It's a great starting point if you're exploring career paths or looking for an introduction before committing to the entire Google Digital Marketing and E-commerce Professional Certificate. Finally, there's the Unilever Digital Marketing Analyst Professional Certificate. Unilever is a global consumer goods powerhouse, so this course focuses on data-driven marketing. Expect to learn how to track campaign performance, interpret marketing analytics, and make informed decisions based on real data. If you're aiming for roles like marketing analyst, digital strategist, or simply want to make your campaigns more measurable, this certificate is a fantastic option. At the end of the day, each of these certificates can help you stand out in a competitive job market. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to add specialized skills, there's a program for you. If you're more creatively inclined, Adobe might be your jam. If you're all about analytics, Unilever is calling your name. And if you want a thorough grounding in SEO, e-commerce, and Google Ads, Google certificates have you covered. Also, remember that digital marketing intersects with data privacy and consumer protection laws. While these certificates focus on practical skills, it's crucial to stay informed about legal frameworks, especially if you're handling personal data or marketing across borders. So, which certificate catches your eye? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe and follow for more insights on digital marketing, e-commerce, interactive courses, and career development. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.